In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram private group or channel video on MacBook, PC, laptop, every devices. Same method, just follow my instruction. First, for example, I open a group and this is my friends a group. I'm not an owner in this group. I'm only a member. Then I'm going on this extension section. Then click manage extension. Then Chrome Web Store. Then here I type Telestream Saver. Then you need to add to Chrome. Then again add extension. Wow, it's already added. Now go back to Telegram. Then refresh your browser. Then open this video. Then you can find this download button as well in the right corner. Just click. Wow, it's already download complete. Thanks for watching. See you again.